I'm about to take this normal video and completely remake it using AI. No complicated editing, no rebuilding everything from scratch. Just upload the video, let AI do its thing. Here's how it works. This is RecCloud AI Video Remaker. It lets you take an existing video and use AI to remake it into something new. And the process is ridiculously simple. Let's test it. First, upload the video you want to remake. I'm using this one. Nothing crazy, just a normal video. Now, upload an image for reference. Now, type in the changes that you prefer for the video. Set up your options, hit generate, and boom, here's the original. And here's the AI remade version. Same starting point, but now we have a fresh new video created with AI. That is actually pretty wild. And think about what you could do with this. Old video? Remake it. Want another version of your content? Remake it. Need fresh content without starting from zero? You already know the answer. Remake it. Instead of spending hours trying to recreate videos manually, RecCloud AI Video Remaker gives you a much faster way to experiment with your existing content. Upload, remake, generate, done. If you create videos regularly, this could seriously speed up your workflow. Try RecCloud AI Video Remaker and subscribe for more crazy AI tools.